Hey guys, it's Ben from Launch Medical, home of the Phoenix. I want to take a moment to answer your questions about the sound you'll hear during your treatment. So the Phoenix emits powerful, energetic sound waves called shockwaves. It's mechanically producing these sound waves, which we call acoustic waves, by repeatedly impacting a piece of metal into the treatment tip. Now, this happens at a carefully calibrated interval and speed, and all of this happens safely within the strong housing of the Phoenix. Let me show you what I mean with this quick demo. Take a second to adjust the volume on your phone or laptop so that my voice reaches a normal conversational level. Now I'm going to turn the Phoenix on, but I'll keep talking so that you can compare the sound with my voice. The powerful sound waves that you hear are traveling through the treatment tip as it makes contact with my skin. These waves are carefully focused into the tissue. As you can hear for yourself, treating with the Phoenix is not quiet, but in this case, loud is good. It's actually the same decibel level as the machines used in clinics. Remember, we're talking about powerful sound waves, so loud is your assurance that it has the energy to be effective. So there you have it. Whether you visit a clinic or choose to treat yourself safely at home, this is the sound you'll hear. If privacy and discretion are important, you'll want to plan ahead. And that's it. Keep the questions coming, and don't forget, you can chat with a helpful member of our team 24/7. Just head on over to getmyphoenix.com.